Hey everyone, welcome to Soap Trend. We hope that everybody is doing well. We have some exciting news to share with you all in today's video. In this video, we present you with a special dose of entertainment from our favorite TV series Heartland. Enjoy all the behind the scene tour of CBC's hit show and get all the information on how the show is made from the cast and crew members. Do watch this video till the end to know everything. First of all, there is script supervision. Script supervisor Wayne Pell said, "In a nutshell, I'm the editor's eye and ears on set. I make sure we cover all of the parts of the script on camera in a way that the editors can cut it together smoothly. A large part of that is continuity. I work with hair, makeup, wardrobe, props. I work with the actors to make sure they know all of their dialogue. Or if we want to change it, we'll work together to rewrite the script. I will create a master script for the editors and for post-production. So if they are doing ADR, they have the right dialogue to go by. I'll work with the directors and writers to make sure the tone is in tune with what we do on Heartland. I will also time the script. When I first get the script, I'll do a rough estimate of the timing, so we know if it's too long and we need to cut out a few scenes, or if it's too short and we'll have to add a few scenes. All of you may be thinking what ADR is. ADR stands for Automated Dialogue Replacement. It is used to replace dialogue when original sound cannot be used. Michelle Morgan said, "ADR is a necessary evil. It's way better to get the sound on location while we're filming. That's always the first choice. We will always use the sound that we did on the day if we can. When you're acting, your voice is an important instrument. It's part of your performance. When you're doing ADR, you're just trying to recreate what you found in that moment, but you're in a studio all alone, wearing headphones in the dark. Sometimes it's really emotional scene. You're supposed to be crying and you get choked up. We don't notice the little nuances, the weird thing that we do with our voice in everyday life. Trying to recreate those nuances can be very challenging." There are animal wranglers on the set as well. Jerry Ducey said, "I'm a captain in the wrangling department, which means we look after the animals, primarily the horse end of it, but occasionally we bring in some other kind of creatures. I guideline what we need for the next day of shooting. You work days ahead to know in your head what's going to happen. You have to bring the right horse, the right tack, and sometimes cattle. It's a myriad of things that you do. The film industry is very hurry up and wait. Patience is everything. The animals we choose have to be very quiet and will just go to sleep on set. The actors have a big job to do too. They can't worry about what's underneath them or beside them. We try to make sure that the actors have appropriate lessons, and when they are on an animal, that they have no worries. Similarly, there are costumes coordinators on the set. I'm one of the 2 set costumers," said Jill Fry. "I coordinate all the costumes for the actors on a daily basis. I steam them, iron them, and keep it all washed. I put costumes in and out of their dressing rooms that are required for the different scenes. When they go to set, I make sure that all the bits and pieces they need are ready for that scene." Likewise, makeup artist Donna Fuller said, "Each actor takes at most 30 minutes to make up. Sean and Amber take about 30 minutes, but some of the guys are about 10 minutes. One thing people don't think about is the maintenance. All day it's constantly touching up. It's also a challenge to do that on horseback, and the weather, especially snow, is challenging too." Amy and Ty's baby Lindy are actually twin babies. They are Emanuela and Ruby Spencer. This isn't the first time twins have been used on Heartland. Sisters Jordan and Kiara played Katie, who is Lou's daughter. When I first got involved in television, I was warned to stay away from the shows with animal or kids. The only cost time and money. Veterans in the industry would snicker. I can now say that from experience that working with animals and kids is the most rewarding thing you can do as an actor. Amber Marshall said, since they are always living in the moment, there is no acting involved. You just feed off the natural energy and enjoy the real life situation they present to every scene. Emanuela and Ruby are extraordinary girls. They make the job of portraying their mother such a joy. We have so much fun together on set, and I miss them when we are not filming. Luckily, their real mom brings them out to my farm to see the animals often. Horses are the heart of the show, Chris Potter said. I have come to my own understanding. Being around horses, that each of them has their own personality. They are very patient, very intelligent. They pick up on cues. I think overall there is something in the spirit, the soul of the horses in particular, that resonates and permeates the people around them. They can change the energy and people's demeanor. They can be very therapeutic. Similarly, Amber Marshall said, I have loved horses since a very young age, and being able to work with them on set doesn't feel like work at all. So this much for today's video. We hope you liked it. We will deliver more news of Heartland as it comes in. We will have all the burning Heartland spoilers, updates and news you're looking for. So visit us regularly. Thank you for checking this video out. We will see each other very soon with another video. If you like this video, give us a like and subscribe to our channel for new videos every day. If you have anything to say, do let us know in the comment section below. We'll make sure to reply to your comments.